Most people waste time on boring workouts that don't build arm strength or burn fat fast. Today, you'll learn how to do dumbbell alternating arm bicep curls the right way to get stronger arms and feel more confident. Here is the secret. When you keep your elbows steady in front of your hips and your palms facing forward, you target your biceps better and keep tension on the muscles the whole time. That means every curl counts more toward toning your arms and burning fat. Don't let your elbows wander back or your wrists twist that loses energy and slows your progress. Start with a dumbbell weight you can lift comfortably for 8 to 12 reps on each arm. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Stand tall with a tight core and squeeze your biceps as you lift. Breathe out when you lift the dumbbell up and breathe in as you lower it down slowly. Watching your elbows stay in place helps you build strength faster and prevents pain in your arms and shoulders. Doing 3 sets of 12 curls on each arm just 3 times a week can help you. See real changes: stronger arms, better muscle shape, and even some fat loss over time. Plus, it's perfect for home workouts because you only need 1 pair of dumbbells and a little space. If you're tired of workouts that don't work, this simple move can jumpstart your results and keep you feeling motivated every day. Ready to build your arms the smart way and lose fat without spending hours at the gym? Stick around, hit subscribe, and explore the whole playlist for easy workouts that actually get results. Your strongest, leanest arms are just 1 curl away.